Hello there folks, and welcome to our little house tour. We thought that it would be a good idea to show you the house in the original state that we bought it in before we start any work on it, and we plan on doing it room by room here on YouTube. So we thought that it would be a cool way to vlog everything and all the work that we put into it. So here we are starting off in the lounge, and we'll let you have a little wander around and then we'll catch you back at the end of the video. So here we are in the dining room putting together some mood boards. This one is the living room one, which is pretty much almost done. So yeah, if you go to our first video that we already posted, you'll actually be able to see how the lounge one's coming together, with like the fireplace and stuff. We've got mood boards for all the other rooms as well, but it's obviously going to be like a work in progress because we're not going to be able to do it overnight. We've got like a full house to do, so yeah, we just thought we'd show you these and kind of like what the inspiration is going to be for each room, but we might change it as we go along because we might find things that we don't like or that we do like. But yeah, we're very excited. But basically the idea of this video was kind of just to give you a quick house tour of what the house like currently looks like in the state when we bought it before we do any work on it, so you can follow us through doing each room. But yeah, if you've enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and we're excited to bring you along on this journey, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye.